Alrighty, this time I'm going to make some enchiladas. Enchiladas will consist of tortilla wrap, your favorite type of tortilla wrap. There's wheat, there's white, there's big, small, all kinds of tortilla wraps out there. I have green onion, beans, any type of beans that you like. These happen to be black beans. Your enchilada sauce, your favorite kind of cheese, salt, pepper. You're going to need some taco seasoning mix, chicken or beef, and I have some cilantro. What I'll do first, I will cook up the chicken, fry it in the pan with my seasoning, and then I'll combine all the ingredients and roll it in a tortilla wrap here. Now to cook up our chicken, I cut my chicken into cubes. This is a chicken breast that I cubed up. Just have some olive oil, taco seasoning. This is pre-mixed, but what's in here is chili powder, onion powder, all kinds of different spices that they combine together, and then salt and pepper. I got my pan nice and hot here, and I will simply add oil to the bottom of the pan, and I'll take my chicken, put that in there like that. We'll season our chicken, a little bit of salt, and we just want to get some nice color on this because we're going to wrap this in our enchilada wrap and put it in the oven, and it'll fully cook at that point. A taco seasoning mix, and this just gives it good flavor. As much or as little as you like. And at this point, we're good to go, and we'll add this chicken into our tortilla wraps for the enchiladas. Now, in the meantime, while we're rolling our enchiladas, I have the oven preheated at 375, and while that's warming up, I will show you how to do a quick roll of these enchiladas. Take a little bit of chicken. Remember, I'm going to make 4 of these. I will take a little bit of cilantro. You can add as little as much as you like. I'll put some cheese in the middle. When this melts up, this is nice and gooey. I like that. Take some of our black beans. And take some of our enchilada sauce. We'll put it down on the bottom of our baking dish so that we don't have our tortilla wrap sticking to the bottom. So now that I got my tortilla filled up, you just roll it up. Place it in your dish. I'll add the remaining enchilada sauce over the top.
We sure have a great year.
I know, right?
Movies, music, spaces.
Little beans on top.
Good one. A great start. That guy isn't bad. Come on, it's a Honda. That built a lot. We understand life in a minute.
I'll go ahead and put some
Introducing the first G-Trans and a global built-in vacuum. It's got something special in the redesigned Odyssey.
green onion.
Of course.
And cheese. put these in the oven for about 20 minutes in a 375 degree oven.